Hi there, welcome you all to my new video in which we will be discuss on several steps that helps you to create a best website. Creating the website can be a daunting task, but with a good plan and structure will help you to building best website. The website that you will be going to create can be for different purpose or goals based upon your needs. So we will be discussing some steps that will surely help you to creating the good website. Let's come and now we will be discuss over these steps. So the step 1 is define your purpose and goals. By defining your purpose before creating a website, you must identify what your purpose and goal. Ask yourself what is the primary objective of your website. What your website serve to others? Is it a product, service, or a information? The website which you're going to be create. Once you have a clear understanding of your website's purpose, define your goals. What do you want your website to achieve? What are your key performance indicators, KPIs? Knowing your purpose and goal will help you to create a website that is focused and effective. Now comes the step 2. Step 2 is choosing a platform. In today's world, there is a world of AI. Many AI platforms and also its scratch builder platforms that can be going to really help you for creating best websites as much as you think. So these platforms are Wix, WordPress, Squarespace, and many others. Research each platform and choose one that suits your website's purpose and goal. Once you have chosen a platform, then select a hosting service that is reliable, secure, and offers good service. Now comes the step 3. Step 3 is planning your website structure and design. Want your website to be organized and what pages you need. Determine the layout, color, scheme, typography, and imaginary that you want to use. Keep your audience in mind and make sure your design reflects your brand or product or the service which you want to offer. So comes the 4th step, which is develop your content strategy. Means what content would you want to represent in your website. So content is the king, as you know. When it comes to a content in your website, you must develop a content strategy that aligns with your website purpose and goals. Determine the what type of content you want to create, such as blog, posts, product descriptions, or videos. Develop a content calendar. Content calendar is one which going to be help you to how you can be updated your content to ensure your content constantly create high quality and also develop your website that looks really great. Now comes the step 5, which is customize your website on the search engine. To customize your website, that is to make your website visible over the search engine while any user search for their needs, your website firstly show to them. So for this, you have to be optimize it over the search engine. There can be many SEOs and SEMs available which help you to really make your website ranking highest, but this can be very costly. For customization, you can use relevant keywords that must represent your website over the search engine. While user search according to his or her needs, it's the very important task that your site firstly shown in the feed, and also your ranking for your site is very high. So this means throughout your content, your images or videos, ensuring your website is mobile friendly. Use SEO tools, means search engine optimization tools, that analyze your website and make improvements where necessary. Then comes the step 6. Step 6 is launching a website and promoting. If once you finished your website or completed the previous steps, it's time to launch your website. Test your website thoroughly and ensure that it's working correctly and all the links that are functioning. So once you have launched your website, promote it on social media and other platforms through email marketing, other channels to verify or drive traffic and increase your audience. Try to use the different tools that can be available over the internet. You can search for these tools through some small researches over the internet, and in this AI world there can be many great contents available for you all to help you creating best website. So must try these steps to creating good website. This will really help you. So if you also like these all steps, so please like my video and comment me a feedback that how this can be helpful to you. So for more such videos you must subscribe the Technoworld, and also there can be many different videos for creating the website through coding using the HTML, CSS, JavaScript can be present over it. You must also view it, and you can develop the website through the coding by learning these all codes.